So you can make your slide very content rich. Let's say, for example, you can insert picture right here. So I'm just going to go around onto my drive and insert a picture from my drive right here. So there you go. There's the TutorTube link right here. So I'm just going to go around, add that image in right here. So what happens sometimes is that the other person may not be able to view the image for some reason. So in that case, what you can do is you can add something called alternative text so that the other person, even if they are not able to view the image, they can get something out of the slide. So in order to do that, I can just right click right here, and over here you'll be able to see that alt text is an option. Once I click on this, you can see that you can give it a title. So I'm just going to say TutorTube right here, and then I can go and add in some description. So I'm just going to say something like, this is the logo of the YouTube channel, just like this. So once I do that, you can press OK. But over here, let's learn what it says. So it says, alt text is accessed by screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content. So if they are not able to access the picture, then they'll see this text message. And you can press OK. And that's it. That's how you set up alt text. You want to edit that out again, you simply right click, go to alt text, and then you can make the changes and press OK as well. And that is how you make your content more accessible by using Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.